there's a color this month that feels like an exhale. Peridot. And the more I've sat with it, the more I think it has something to say to everyone who's been carrying something heavy for a while. In fact, I think it might be the color of coming back to life. So today, I want to talk about what this color actually means, spiritually, energetically, and personally. Peridot forms deep in the Earth's molten mantle, under extreme heat and extreme pressure. And in rare cases, it doesn't come from the Earth at all. It arrives here through meteorites. Some peridot literally falls from space. I don't think that's an accident of geology. I think it's a mirror. Because some of the lightest, most joyful things that come into our lives arrive after, or even because of, the most intense pressure we've ever carried. The struggle isn't the opposite of the light. Sometimes it's exactly what produces that light. In many traditions, peridot connects to the heart, but with a particular quality that heavier greens don't carry. It's lightness, not heaviness. Not solemn growth, but joyful growth. Ancient Egyptians called this the gem of the sun and believed it protected against negativity and night terrors. It was worn against the skin, close to the body, close to the heart. They mined it at night because the stone glowed under torchlight but was almost invisible in the daylight. I think about that a lot. Sometimes the light inside of us is like that too. It seems invisible in the harsh light of everyday life, but unmistakable once you finally slow down, take some deep breaths, and actually notice it. Peridot doesn't ask you to keep pushing. It asks you to release old emotional weight, guilt around feeling good, old beliefs that joy is to be earned before you're allowed to have it. If you've been carrying something, a hard season, a loss of a loved one, a long stretch of just getting by or getting through the day, I want you to hear this clearly. You don't have to keep proving you deserve to feel light again. The lightness was always the other side of what you've been carrying. It's not something separate you have to go earn. It's simply what's next. In the personal energy portraits I've created over the years, I've noticed something that has stayed remarkably consistent. When a bright spring green shows up, it almost always represents new opportunity, something hopeful, something exciting, right on the edge of becoming real. Not something someone had to force into being, but something that was just simply ready to be made manifest. I think a lot of you are in that exact space right now, even if you haven't quite let yourself believe it yet. If you've been feeling that quiet flicker, a little more hope than you've had in a while, or a little more curiosity about what's next, trust it. That's not naivety. That's peridot energy. Light that formed under real pressure, finally being allowed to be seen. You don't have to earn back your joy. You just have to stop bracing against it. If this resonates with you, if you're in a season where something new is quietly forming, I create personal energy portraits that reflect exactly this kind of transformation. No explanation needed on your part, just a willingness to see what's ready to emerge for you. You can learn more and schedule a session at the link to be found in the description. And remember, the light was never missing. It was there all along. It was just waiting for the pressure to finish its work. I'll see you the next time.